Hi everyone, it's Leanne, and how you going? And what I did off camera is I finished off those uh, brown paper bag journals or little books. I did it because I haven't got time to film, so I thought that I'd quickly make it. Um, I didn't have time to do the tutorial on it, so but I think the other two that I have done, you've seen, and I think the third one I will show you. There it is there. It's a traveling book. I've done a little closure like the other one is the elastic, and I put a little metal, little metal piece on it. Um, and I've done one of my butterflies. I don't know whether you can see that really well. The focusing of the camera's not good at the moment, but as you can see, it's got a glaze on it. It's collaged and it has a glaze on it, and I just made that up as a little embellishment. Right, now the closure here is again very simple. Here's the brown paper bag. There it is there. It's another mushroom bag, but it's a smaller mushroom bag. And all I've done is I've put the closure, folded that halfway to there, and I've left a bigger embellishment here. Oh, let me get my words straight today. I've left a bigger flap than that one. That one's big. That one's big. That one's a bit smaller, but I've left the flap. Now I've just got a scrap piece of paper, and I went over that on the edge line here. Here, there it is there. And then I followed that up with a beautiful map someone sent me from Scotland, or about Scotland, not from Scotland, but about Scotland, and I decided to use it. And then on the front cover, I put another piece that I was given, medieval England, and I've just embellished it with a little bit of that. And then I have done the book. Here's the book. The book is a little traveling journal on the front. Maybe you do your index on there, and that's a ticket. And here's the book here. It has the map around it like that, with a little, I don't know, you could write, the index and what's inside the book. So that's all I've done. And then I've closed it, and I've embellished the front. I've put traveling book on it with my text. And I've used some extra bits of pieces of paper, and I've had a crown sitting around, so I thought I'd use that. And there it is. Voila. And then I've fixed this enclosure right here. And that's all I've done. So there's the 3 books in the series that I was doing. There's book 2, there's book 1, and here's book 3. So I've done them like that. A smaller one. It's smaller than the first one. Yes, it is. Same length, but... And also what I've done is put a bit of gesso. That's the only other thing I've done, is put a little bit of gesso around all over. So that's what I've done. So there you go. I just thought I'd show you my last one. And this is in a series of 3. And I've finished them. And I really enjoyed doing them. So if you want to do something similar with a brown paper bag, go ahead. Just embellish them how you want. So until I see you next time, or in the next video. Please take care, everyone. Bye for now.